'em to the chorus. Come here, girl.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Come to the back.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
VIP.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Drinks on me.
Go ahead,
Let me
be
see
gone
what
with
you're
it.
twerking with.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Look at those hips.
Go ahead, be gone with
You
it.
make me smile.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Go ahead, child.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy out.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy
Go
out.
ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy out.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy out.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy out.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy out.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy out.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Get your sexy out.
What is up, YouTube? Frank here with another video, and in this one we're going to learn how to play Among Us on Linux. So if you guys have seen my previous videos, on this specific computer I am on my ThinkPad. I am running Elementary OS, which is based on Ubuntu/Debian. So these are the steps I took to get Among Us running there. So first you're going to want to actually buy the game from Steam. So fast forward, once you have the game bought and in your library, you're going to want to actually download the game files. By default, because it's not compatible, it's not going to let you, so you're going to have to go to Properties, and then under the General tab at the bottom you want to check the Force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool, and then select Proton. This is the version that's been working for me, so Proton 4.11-13. So once that's going, it's gonna go ahead and download and install into your computer. So once that's set, you're actually gonna want to go ahead and open up a terminal. So let's go ahead and open our terminal. So the first thing we're going to want to install is going to be Wine, because we're going to use Wine to run the Among Us.exe binary. So we can do that by doing sudo apt-get install wine64-y. If you are on CentOS/Fedora or anything like that, I'm sure you can get this package using yum. So I already have it installed, so it's not going to go ahead and go through that process, but basically that's the command you run to get wine64. The next step is going to be actually locating the Among Us binary. In this case, you can see that it was in my home directory where I have my .steam folder. So this is the full path, and here's the .exe binary. Here's a good command to run, or well, this is the find command you can use to find the binary. So, right, and just copy and paste that. I'll put it in the description, but right, cd paste in. Oops. Oh, it's probably because I'm not escaping it, right? But yeah, basically Frank.steam. You can just hit tab for tab complete for some of you new Linux users. Yep. And there we go. So now you actually want to run the game. For that, you can just do wine64 and then the Among Us.exe binary. And this is going to go ahead and start up the game. So the first time I started it up, I had issues connecting to an online server, so I just restarted it, and that fixed it for me for some reason. If you want to use your keyboard, the WASD keys or the arrow keys, then make sure to select this in your settings, and pretty much you're good to go. Just go ahead and find a game. Boom. See, crewmate. But yeah, I mean, obviously I'm not gonna go and play the whole game here, but hopefully that points you in the right direction. If you run into any issues, please do let me know, and I'll try to help you out. I feel like I'm gonna get killed because I'm in electrical. Oh shit, where I feel like I did not do something right. Oh Blue goes with blue, red goes with red, purple goes with purple. Awesome. Oh shoot. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video. As always, don't forget to hit a thumbs up. It helps the channel out, and subscribe if you want to. If not, that's fine. Appreciate everything.